Hi guys, welcome to Cognitive Hub Talent Tutorials. In today's video, I am going to explain about a new component in Talent Studio that is nothing but a tFileOutputExcel component. Now what I am going to do in this particular video is, first of all, I want to extract a data from a delimited file which is present in my local system, and then once it is loaded into my Talent Studio, I want to do some transformation on that particular input using a sum of the transformation components named as the tmap, and then finally whatever the output that I am getting, I want to load that particular output into a Excel. Now without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic and let's see how that particular loading into Excel will work. Okay guys, now what I am doing is I want to create a new job here. So I am going to repository panel, and under the Talent Tutorials I am creating a new job, and I am giving the name as Excel illustration, and I am saving it. Now the job will open on my designer panel here. Yeah, it is open now. Now what I am doing is, initially first of all I want to retrieve the data from my local system. Now what I am doing is I want to place some tFile input delimited to load the data from my local system to the Talent Studio. So I am inserting tFile input delimited here. Now I want to configure it a little bit. First of all I want to add some schema here. What I am doing is, here the schema is products name, which is a string, and then month, which is also a string, and then age, which is a integer. So this is the schema that I want for the corresponding file that I am going to select it, and the file is nothing but the file is present in here under the talent folder products.txt, and this product.txt I am going to show you now. One second. Here this is the product.txt. Now I am opening it with Notepad++. So these are the contents that are present. So I have already created a schema for it, naming as the product name and the month as well as the price. Sorry, I have created a wrong schema for this. It is an integer, but it is not a age, it is a price. So I am changing it to price. I am saving it. Now I have I have assigned this schema like file path for it, and here the row separator is /n as well as field separator is comma. I am changing it to comma here, and I want to skip the header also here. So I am writing one in the header tab, because it will skip the one row from the given text file. Now it is successfully configured. Now what I want to do is I want to use tmap component to do some transformations here. I don't want entire thing, I only want the product price, and sorry, I only want, suppose if I only want product price and in the price product name as well as the product price, then I am using a main component here. What I am doing is, under the tmap I am creating a new output table here. Now what I am doing is I am selecting it. I am doing a simple transformations here. What I am doing is I want to make the product name as capital uppercase letters. So for that I am clicking the three dots here. So it is open some pop-up message here. So under the string handling I am clicking string handling here, and then I am clicking uppercase function here. What I am doing is I am cutting this row 1 dot product name and replacing it with hello. So once it is done, click OK. Now it has done some transformation here, like converting the product name into uppercase letter. This is one of the transformation. Now after completing this, I am clicking OK. Now I am getting some output here. Now what I want is, I want to store the output what I am getting into some Excel. So for that, what I am doing is, I am inserting a tFileOutputExcel. tFileOutputExcel. We have a specific component for this. So connect both tmap as well as tFileOutputExcel using the output table connector, and we need to do some configurations for the Excel as well. And I am writing it with write Excel 2007 file format. If you want to click that, if you want to write the output file in Excel 2007 file format, then you can click it, but I don't want in .xlss. Okay, for now I am clicking .xlss. So I am clicking that Excel 2007 file format. So I want to know the file format as well. So what I am doing is, I am going to desktop, and again I am redirecting to the path where I want to store this file. I am saving it as Excel output .xlsx, and I am saving it as OK. Now what I want to, if I want to give the sheet name, then you can also give the sheet name. Here the sheet name is sheet 1 itself. And once it is automatically synced the columns, like automatically synced the schema of the tmap. That is why it is having the all the columns which are having the tmap. So that's all we need to do for the configuration of tFileOutputExcel. So once run it, let us check whether it is storing that file in Excel or not. Yeah, it is running. Yeah, it successfully run. Now what I am doing is, I am going to the path where I mentioned the excel.output. Yeah, it is, there is some file named as excel_output. So I am opening it in Excel. See, these are the prices that I want: Redmi Note 8 Pro, month, as well as price. I haven't included the header here. If you want to include header, then you can include the header as well. Here see the transformation. Here every product name is in the uppercase letter, because we changed the small lowercase letters into uppercase letters during the tmap transformations. And here the sheet name is sheet 1, we have given that. So this is how you can load the data from Talend Studio to tFile, like Talend Studio to Excel. In the coming lectures, I am going to show you how to load this Excel, load the data from Excel to Talend Studio. Now that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.